Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to find trending t-shirts on Etsy. So let's try it out. The first thing is in the Google search bar, search for Etsy. On the top, you will see the main website of Etsy. Click on it and log into your account in Etsy, because it will ask to do it. My account is already saved, and here you can see my account info. Now time to check, how can we see the trending t-shirts? For this I have some ways. Here, you will see a search bar. In the search bar, simply write trending t-shirts. Here you can see trending t-shirts, click on it, and below you will see the t-shirts that are trending. And on high demand, you can also check the reviews. 25.8K reviews on this shop. If I scroll down, you will find multiple t-shirts which are trending, and people love to buy these. Now another way of checking the trending t-shirt is if you take a look on the left side, you will see different options. Here you can see the icon of Etsy Best. Click on it and click on this option. Then Etsy will pick all the t-shirts by itself, which are really good to purchase and are trending on its website. If I scroll down, you will find different shirts with the price tag. The last thing is you can see the icon Star Seller. Click on it and you will see Etsy Pick, plus Star Seller on Etsy. From these shops, customers love to buy the shirts because their product quality is really good. And these are the trending shirts on Etsy. You can check all the t-shirts by yourself once you find your shirt. Simply click on that and buy that from Etsy. In order to buy, click on the option to buy it now and do the next process. And that's it.